Live price of Terra Classic is $0.000091 per LUNC/USD today with a current market cap of $596.21 million US. 24-hour trading volume is $492.75 million US. Terra Classic is minus 0.51% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 6,554.41 billion US. Terra Classic holders in the early hours of June 27 were greeted with a real treat when the notorious hacker organization called Anonymous declared that they will be investigating Do Kwon's offenses. Interestingly, the Anonymous organization rose to prominence by hacking into and revealing fraud in governments and huge companies all over the globe. The hacker activism organization now intends to probe Terra's creator in connection with the Luna and UST crashes. This statement, however, generated the next real treat for Luna and LUNC holders. Hackers promise to uncover truth. Both Terra and Terra Classic are starting to reverse their bad luck today. Indeed, both the new Luna crypto and the LUNC coin are big gainers on Monday. Luna prices are up more than 20%, while LUNC prices are up nearly 60%. The price momentum follows a big piece of Luna crypto news, pitting Do Kwon against one of the internet's most infamous hacktivist groups. The group, Anonymous, is well known for taking on big tech and the government. In its nearly 20-year history, the group has perpetrated high-profile data leaks targeting the likes of the Koch brothers, MasterCard, and even the Russian government. Today, the group is exciting crypto investors as it identifies Do Kwon himself as its newest target. A YouTube video addressed to Kwon details the reasons behind the new campaign. The video points out unavoidable macroeconomic factors that have driven the recent crypto bear market. Yet, it also puts much of Terra investors' losses on the shoulders of Kwon himself. There are a number of rumors about Do Kwon springing up in the face of Terra's collapse. As mentioned, the Terra revival plan was not very popular among community members at first. As rumors now suggest, Kwon was using his own secret stash of funds to manipulate the governance proposal and pass the plan. These rumors come alongside allegations that Kwon was secretly behind another failed stablecoin project. Anonymous is now looking to bridge together all of these details. The group says it is working to uncover all details of Kwon's crypto history which might not yet be public.